We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2019 Honda Shadow Phantom in white. All of the other detailing on here, like the engine, is black, except the exhaust. That is the one little bit of chrome on this bike. So we have disc brakes in the front, but a drum brake in the rear. And the drive system on this motorcycle is shaft. There's no belt, no chain, so very little maintenance needed. So the key for this bike is located on the left-hand side. And we are at 3,702 miles. This bike is nice and quiet too. Probably make your neighbors happy. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.